We take this time to honor today's four-state hero. Or we will go, well, I mean, I'll do Brexton first. That's cool. I'm down with Brexton turning 5. That's because that's a good looking picture right there. Hold on, Brexton, don't go anywhere, buddy. I want to take a look at this. What do we got here? That's a good catch. I like that. I like that, Brexton. Hey, anytime, and I tell you what, man, anytime you're going to hit one of the pits with a pole, you got to let us know. Because if you're going to be bringing in stuff like that at the age of 5, I tell you what, I want to be there. I won't be there to see how big those fish get, my friend. So happy 5th birthday to Brexton in Thayer. We've got a 12th birthday for Natalie Storm. What a gorgeous picture, Miss Natalie. Natalie turns the big number 12, and she is in Jasper. Brett Davis, now a teenager. Happy 13th to Brett. And hey, Brett, I want you to know this comes with love from Mom, Dad, and Sis. In Iola, a 28th birthday for Brittany Johnson. Brittany, I understand. That's having your hands full there as everybody gets back to school. But what a wonderful picture right there. And a happy birthday to Brittany. And Clark Egbert, a very happy birthday as well. Clark is celebrating in McCune. Check out this anniversary, 49 years. How great is this? Brent and Peggy Sutherland, 49 years of marriage in Galena. Brent and Peggy, a very, very happy anniversary and congratulations. That is tremendous right there. I got to find out why a couple people here don't have pictures. Daniel, you're on the list. But I'll find out. No, Daniel, a very happy birthday to Daniel Clugston. He's celebrating in Columbus. Matt Saporito is also in Columbus. Matt, a happy birthday to you. And also, too, I'm going to have to put you on our why don't we have a picture? But, you know, I get you. Let's go with Randy Miller, celebrating number 62. Randy is in Chanute, and Patty Wirtz. Patty had her birthday yesterday, but if you're in Oswego or you're running around Labco and you run into Miss Patty, make sure you please tell her a happy birthday. And a happy birthday and happy anniversary to all on this 2nd day of September. Here's where you send them into. You can either go to birthdays at koamtv.com, or if you choose to go to our website, that's at koamnewsnow.com. Also, too, while you're on our website, if that's part of your morning routine, and then remember our Facebook page can get you there as well. But anyway, if you ever jump on koamnewsnow.com, I want you to try to take advantage of this because we have this thing called the KOAM Birthday Club. And all you have to do is go to our website and sign up. And it's awesome because we've got so many great local sponsors that you get special deals from 4-state businesses that support the Birthday Club. And once again, it's as easy as, I don't know, it'd probably take 30 seconds of your time. And all you have to do is go to koamnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today. We're going to come back and wrap up this edition of the KOAM Morning News. Take one last look at your 7-day forecast right after this.